We all love cookies, we all love brownies. When I saw that there is a combination of the two, I just had to try it. And I must say, I'm in love. Presenting to you the Brookie. Here we go. First of all, we gotta make the cookie part with some butter and some sugar, which gets mixed until it gets all creamy. Then some vanilla and an egg and continue mixing. Do not forget to add your pinch of salt for balance and the baking powder and then the flour. And what are chocolate chip cookies without the chocolate chips? Incomplete, I say. Give that a good stir until it is evenly incorporated. So this is important. As we want to be able to remove this later on, completely line the baking dish of your choice with baking paper, even up at the sides. I left the other side as I want to cut the corners anyways. Then dump the dough onto it and spread it as evenly as possible. Now for the brownie part of this. First melt your butter and add the chocolate. The heat of the butter will make the chocolate melt without a problem. If not, just pop it into the microwave for a teensy bit more. Add the salt, cacao, vanilla, and sugar and continue mixing that. Then first the eggs and finally the flour. Then just pour the dough all over the cookie dough and if needed, spread it into all the places it didn't reach. After that, it's oven time. Bake this at 170 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. Once out of the oven, let it cool off a bit, remove it from the dish and cut them into the shape you want. I just go with simple squares. I love these. The beautiful thing is, you can double either side. My favorite way to do it is a double cookie side, so that I have like a thicker and denser bottom with the brownie over it. Or you can make it more with the brownie, it's really up to you. And I have seen some people who do it the other way around, like they have the brownie layer first and then they plop the cookie dough over it. I didn't like that. I've tried it, it wasn't for me because the brownie, it tends to be softer and when you cut it apart it's just a bit too messy for my personal sake. So please tell me which way you would like to try it. I hope you have enjoyed this week's video. If that's the case, please drop a like down there and yeah, I hope to see you next week with our next beautiful and probably, okay not beautiful, but probably very delicious recipe. Or recipe tester. I don't know. Thank you for watching till the end. Have a delicious weekend and see you next Friday.